Oh, blessed. Ano yung 25, Ma'am Nanay? Blessed silver anniversary to Brother Alan and Sister Hannah. Yan. After po ng aming online ministry, worship and prayer, mangan kami tinabak ng sopas. Oh. Ken nabak ng lumpia from Uncle Enyongs, Panganan, ni Tatang Enyongs. And only bread. Thank you, Christian couples, for the effort again. Maraming salamat. Unang gabi ng aming ministry. Oh. Ayan po.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat, everyone.
Kailan? Yung